Hello, welcome to the channel. My name is Wanda. Hi. In this video, I'll be testing out this new product, which is Inkjet Heat Transfer Vinyl. This premium vinyl allows you to print your own high quality designs and transfer them easily onto fabrics. This vinyl ensures vibrant colors, sharp details, and smooth application every time. It's got 4 easy steps to follow. It is versatile and reliable for a wide range of materials, suitable for most fabrics, washing, and storage. For this video, I'll be using it on a light fabric. It comes with instructions, so let's take them out. And only one side of instructions, which is very easy to follow. Let's take one sheet out. You want to make sure to print your image on the matte side. There's the shiny side. There's the matte side. I will also be using a mask, so let's get that out. And now let's head over to Design Space. This is the image I'll be selecting. Once you resize it, you can send it to your printer. Make sure to set it at A4. That's the size of this printable vinyl we're using. And now select Continue. Send to printer. Select Next. Now here, just select the printer you'll be using. You can change it here. I have a couple of printers in my house, so I'll select the one I'll be needing. I'll keep the Add Bleed on, and then I'll select System Dialog. Now let's change the media and quality to Best. You can also change the media type to the photo matte if you'd like. And finally, just select Print. That printed out beautifully. Look at these colors. They are just beautiful. I'll be placing it on a mat. And of course, we need to have our machine cut this up for us. Let's place the arrow towards the top corner of the mat. By the way, do not mirror the design. Once you have it on the mat, you can use a brayer to make sure it sticks on your mat. And lastly, take it to the machine and start cutting it. But before that, let's set our material base. If you're using a Cricut, TechRep recommends you use Printable Iron-On Dark. As for me, I'll use Everyday Iron-On with more pressure. Always test and see what works for you. That's the setting that works for my machine. Every machine is different. Before unloading, you can always check to make sure it cut through. And here we have it. Now, let's do the weeding. I'll be using this pin pen from TechRep. This material is very easy to weed. Look at this. It weeds beautifully. It is so easy. And very important, I did not lose my smaller pieces. I'm just loving how easy this is to weed. This is perfection. The cut setting I use works perfect for me. As for the unwanted pieces in the middle, these as well were very easy to remove. I did forget a small piece, which later on, I'll remove it. Once I put it on the shirt, it was very easy to spot and remove. Here's the mask I'll be using. It does let you know which is the back of the mask. As for the mask, the carrier sheet was very easy to remove. Once I removed it, I placed it over my image. Now, once you have it on there, just slide your hands just like this, and then you can use a squeegee to make sure it sticks on the mask. I want to mention it is easier to work when you have your image still on your mat. Now, just remove it. To press the design, I'll be using the Tech Wrap Mini Press. For this material, you can use a household iron, a heat press, or a mini press. Tech Wrap recommends your temperature be at 305 Fahrenheit or 150 Celsius for 15 seconds. As for this iron, it's got 3 different temperature settings. And if this is the first time you'll be using this product, remember it comes with instructions which are very easy to follow. Now let's start pressing our shirt. I'll be using this ruler. This will help me center the design. If you don't have a ruler, just place your hand on the top of the shirt and measure 3 fingers down and place your design there. Always use what you have in hand. Very carefully remove the backing. This is much easier than it looks. There were 2 small pieces on the mask that I did not remove. Temperature is set. Now I'll just remove this small piece from here. Now we're ready to press this beautiful design. It's a coquette summer vibes design. Press it down on the shirt to make sure it sticks to the shirt. Then measure with the ruler each side. If you get the same amount of space on each side, this means your design is centered correctly. If you get more on one side than the other, then you can always replace your design. Once you're satisfied, then begin to press your design. I'll be doing small movements just like this. This will distribute the heat. Do not leave the iron still on the design without any movement, otherwise this will cause the design to burn. And we're all done pressing. Now let's wait till this cools down. Once it's cool, you can proceed to remove the mask. Be very careful. I usually remove it very slowly. So far it's looking beautiful. Alright, this is how it turned out. Look at this, it looks beautiful. To make sure I got all the spots, I'll just re-press one last time for a couple of seconds the entire design. This will help it adhere better to the shirt. Now we're not done yet. Let's do a wash test. But first, I want to read what the instructions say. It starts off by saying wait 24 hours or 48 hours before washing. Wash inside out in cold water. Machine wash using mild detergent. Do not use bleach or other aggressive cleaning agents. Cannot be dry cleaned. Do not iron directly over transfer. Another thing you can do is just run a delicate cycle. And it's done washing. Let's take it out and see what it looks like. Now I'll be taking it to my craft room to see in better light. And look, this is how it turned out. I love how stretchy the material is and I love the vibrant colors. This is what it looks like after a wash test. It turned out beautiful. So if you watched to the end and you liked the video, don't forget to give us a like. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe.